Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who prioritize nutrition see significant improvements in their energy levels. Welcome to Seniors Health Companion, where today we discuss how good nutrition can enhance your vitality. As we age, maintaining a balanced diet becomes crucial not just for physical health, but also for mental and emotional well-being. Imagine feeling energized and vibrant every day. This is within your reach through informed food choices designed to support your body's needs. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier, more energetic life together. Our bodies are like finely tuned engines. As we age, they require different fuels to run optimally. Metabolism and nutritional needs change, demanding more attention to specific nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Imagine your body as a car that needs specific fuel to function efficiently. Just like oils and fluids keep a car running smoothly, the right balance of nutrients supports bodily functions and prevents health issues. Understanding these changes can empower you to make food choices that enhance your life and keep you feeling your best. Being attuned to your body's signals is vital. Signs like chronic fatigue, brittle nails, or frequent infections may indicate nutritional deficiencies. Don't ignore these signs, as they can be your body's way of telling you it needs more support. Checking in with your body helps you understand when it's time to adjust your diet. Empower yourself with knowledge and take action if you notice these symptoms. Always consult with a healthcare provider to understand these signs better and to guide your nutritional adjustments for improved health. Balancing your plate with whole grains, lean proteins, and colorful vegetables is key to sustaining energy. Consider meals like a hearty spinach salad with grilled chicken or oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts for breakfast. These meals provide essential nutrients and are simple to prepare. Try incorporating more fiber into your diet by eating beans and whole grain bread. Also, staying hydrated is crucial. Opt for water or herbal teas instead of sugary drinks. These small dietary adjustments can make a big difference in maintaining vitality and health. Safe and effective movement is another pillar of senior health. Even gentle activities like walking or chair yoga can boost energy and improve mood. Start with small, manageable sessions and gradually increase your activity level. Listen to your body and modify movements to suit your abilities. Join local walking groups or virtual exercise classes designed for seniors to stay motivated and socially engaged. Regular physical activity not only supports physical health, but also combats stress and improves mental well-being, making it an integral part of a healthy aging process. Regular medical monitoring is essential to manage health efficiently. Schedule periodic checkups to catch potential issues early. Building a partnership with your healthcare provider ensures you're on track with nutrition and overall wellness. Ask about personalized dietary plans and any necessary supplements. Make sure to keep track of your health metrics at home, such as blood pressure and blood sugar levels, to share with your healthcare professional. Staying informed and proactive about your health through these practices can give you peace of mind and support your journey to vitality. Mental health and social connections play crucial roles in sustaining energy and happiness. Engaging in regular social activities or hobbies you love can provide joy and a sense of fulfillment. It's important to maintain a positive mindset and prioritize interactions with family and friends, whether in person or virtually. Volunteering or joining community groups can be excellent ways to stay connected. Acknowledge and address feelings of loneliness by reaching out and fostering connections. Remember, nurturing your emotional health is just as important as physical health in maintaining overall well-being. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. Summarizing your journey, focusing on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and robust social connections can truly transform your life. To start, consider setting small, achievable goals for dietary changes or joining a new group activity. Remember that these efforts are investments in your health and future. You're empowered to make these changes, and your actions today can lead to a more energized and vibrant tomorrow. Embrace this journey and thrive.